Where do you go? What do you do when the whole world follows you? The only question that remains. Now you have all you've ever wanted. There's nothing left to obtain, and you will be forever haunted by all the people you have slain. It never was about the money. You simply had too many plans. You always dream about the glory of being the ruler of our lands.
Soldiers, in our democracy, let us all unite!
About being the ruler. With the champs on the track, it'd be 20% cooler. And with an army riding under your wing, we're gonna fight, gonna swing, cause it's change we're gonna bring. Overcoming any obstacle in our way. I'll be this world's Miyagi, yeah, I'll be your sensei. Every person on this planet under one command. This is where we fight, it's where we stand. Cause no matter what your age, race, or religion is, let's hear a round of applause, cause we fighting for one cause. And we don't stop until we get it. So if there's no raising the bar, then at least you gotta set it as we march through the dark of the night. The hope of mankind is the one and only light. And if you see the world through my eyes, then surely you'll realize that we've obtained our prize, cause we're the rulers.